If you are thinking about registering with an online trading broker, take 20 minutes to know what you are getting into before you take out your credit card. Are online brokers legit? Can you make money online? Sit back and relax as we dive deep into online trading. In the tapestry of financial history, the threads of online trading are relatively new, yet they intertwine deeply with the fabric of modern economics. To understand this phenomenon, we journey back to a time before the digital age, where stock exchanges were temples of commerce, and trading was an arcane ritual performed by the initiated few. It was the late 20th century when the winds of change began to stir. The 1970s saw the dismantling of fixed brokerage fees, a move that democratized the markets, paving the way for competition and, ultimately, innovation. This period of deregulation, known as the May Day reforms, marked the end of the old guard and the dawn of a new era. As personal computers found their way into homes in the 1980s, a visionary few foresaw their potential to transform trading. These pioneers began experimenting with electronic trading systems, though they were primitive by today's standards. It was the echo of tomorrow's marketplace, resonating through the corridors of finance. The 1990s heralded the internet boom, a period of exuberant expansion of digital frontiers. Financial services were quick to ride this wave, and the first online trading platforms emerged. These platforms were rudimentary, offering basic order-placing functions to retail investors. Yet, they broke the barriers of entry, dismantling the once exclusive dominion of professional brokers. As the millennium turned, online trading platforms proliferated, buoyed by the dot-com rush. The market welcomed a new breed of trader, the day trader. Armed with a dial-up connection and a surge of optimism, these individuals embarked on a quest for quick profits, often from their home offices. This era also witnessed the birth of advanced trading software and analytical tools, once the exclusive arsenal of institutional traders, now in the hands of the public. The trading floor was no longer confined to a physical space but extended into virtual realms, where anyone could partake in the great financial ballet. But the road was not without bumps. The early 2000s saw the dot-com bubble burst, and with it, a sobering lesson on the volatility of markets, especially for the legions of new traders. This event was a crucible, burning away the chaff, and from its ashes rose a more cautious and educated trader. The subsequent years have been characterized by relentless innovation. The introduction of smartphones and wireless technology has further emancipated the trading process. High-frequency trading, powered by sophisticated algorithms, has redefined the very concept of speed, turning microseconds into the new battleground. As we stand today, online trading has become a symphony of global connectivity, a network that binds traders from across the world into a single, digital marketplace. The evolution of online trading is not merely a chronicle of technological advancement but a reflection of the human spirit, a desire to transcend limits and redefine what is possible. This is the legacy of online trading, a journey from the physical to the digital, from the exclusive to the inclusive. As we continue to navigate its currents, we find ourselves participants in an ongoing history, one that is still being written with each trade, each innovation, each dream of prosperity. The alchemy of online trading is not just in its transactions but in the tools that make them possible. These are the conduits of the digital trader's craft, the instruments that have turned solitary figures into maestros of markets. In this chapter, we delve into the essence of these tools, each a cog in the vast machinery of online trading. Trading platforms are the cornerstone, the theaters of war where traders deploy their strategies. In their earliest incarnation, they were simple, almost austere, but the demands of a rapidly expanding financial ecosystem spurred a technological arms race. Today's platforms are marvels of engineering, offering a dizzying array of features: real-time data, advanced charting, a plethora of technical indicators, and automated trading options. Beyond mere access, these platforms empower traders with an unprecedented level of analysis. Charting tools translate the language of the market into visual stories, with trends, patterns, and volumes narrated in lines and colors. Indicators serve as the oracles of this realm, attempting to divine future movements from the entrails of past and present data. And then there's the rise of the trading algorithms, sets of rules that, when followed diligently by computer programs, can execute trades at a speed and frequency unfathomable to the human trader. These algos, as they are affectionately termed, have become the silent titans of the trade, their efficiency reshaping the market in their unblinking image. But let's not forget the humble beginnings from which these behemoths grew. The first forays into electronic trading were more about connection than computation, linking trader to market without the intermediation of a broker. It was a leap towards autonomy, a step into a world where the individual could stand on equal footing with the giants of finance. The democratization of trading tools has been a double-edged sword. On one side, it has slashed the moats that once ringed the financial castles, allowing anyone with a dream and determination to attempt the siege. On the other, it has introduced a complexity to the market, a labyrinthine network of strategies and statistics that can overwhelm the unprepared. Risk management tools have also become a staple, a necessary shield in the trader's armory. Stop-loss orders, limit orders, and diversification calculators are but a few of the defenses erected to guard against the market's mercurial nature. They are the bulwarks that protect from ruin, ensuring that the trader lives to fight another day. In this digital domain, information is the currency of the realm, and news aggregators and social trading networks have become the bustling marketplaces where this currency is traded. Rumors, news flashes, and economic reports fly with the speed of light, each a potential butterfly whose wings can trigger storms across the global markets. Yet, for all their sophistication, these tools are mere extensions of the trader's will, inert until guided by human hands. They require a blend of knowledge, intuition, and the bravery to forge into the market's tumultuous waters. The skilled trader must be both pilot and navigator, steering through the currents of supply and demand with a steady hand and an unwavering eye. This is the world of the tools of online trading, a fusion of technology and tenacity. As we emerge from the depths of this exploration, we carry with us a deeper understanding of the instruments that have revolutionized the act of trade. They are the lenses through which we view the market's mosaic, the keys that unlock the gates to financial temples once barred to all but the most privileged. Beneath the surface of the online trading ecosystem lies its core, pulsating with the beats of human hearts, the traders. While the tools and technologies are the vessels through which the markets flow, it is the human element that breathes life into every transaction. For a deeper dive into trading, hit the subscribe button to see future videos on your recommended list. This segment peers into the psyche of those who navigate these digital seas, the flesh and blood behind the cold precision of algorithms. The modern trader is a mosaic of roles: a researcher, a psychologist, an economist, and, at times, a gambler. They come armed with charts and data, but their most potent weapon is their intuition, honed through experience and tempered by the fires of past trades. The market, after all, is a reflection of collective human behavior, a dance of psychology and sociology on a grand scale. To understand this dance, we must appreciate the role of emotion. Greed and fear, hope and despair. These are the siren calls that every trader must navigate. The allure of a quick profit can cloud judgment, leading to the choppy waters of rash decisions. Conversely, the icy grip of a potential loss can paralyze, trapping the trader in the maelstrom of inaction. But what of discipline? That cornerstone of trading virtue. It is the anchor that holds firm amidst market tempests, the constant that separates the seasoned from the novice. Discipline is the trader's compass, ensuring that strategy, not emotion, charts the course. It is a quality cultivated in the quiet reflection of loss and the humble acknowledgement of gains. We then journey into the realm of risk and reward, where every decision carries weight, every trade a potential pivot in a financial destiny. Here, we find the risk-takers and the cautious, each with their own philosophy carved from the bedrock of their experience. Some ride the waves of volatility, thriving on the adrenaline of high-stakes trades. Others prefer the steady current of long-term investments, their eyes fixed on distant horizons. Let us not forget the community that binds these individuals. Online trading forums and social networks are the agoras of the digital age, spaces of congregation where traders share victories, lament losses, and exchange wisdom. In these virtual gathering places, mentorship and camaraderie thrive, and the lone trader is a myth. Here, in the exchange of knowledge, lies the true wealth of the market. The journey of the online trader is often solitary, yet it is etched with the footprints of countless others. From the roar of the stock exchange floor to the silence of a home office, the essence of trading remains unchanged. It is a pursuit as old as civilization itself, the quest for prosperity and the betterment of one's lot. As we close this chapter, we are reminded that the machinery of online trading is powered by human energy. The market's ebb and flow, while captured in numbers and charts, is ultimately the story of people, of dreams woven into the tapestry of the global economy. It is a narrative that continues to unfold, each trader a thread, each trade a color, in this ever-expanding human masterpiece. As we navigate further into the intricate world of online trading, we encounter the inevitable companions of all financial ventures: regulation and risk. This vital segment of our exploration addresses the safeguards erected to protect market integrity and the personal hazards faced by individual traders. The very essence of online trading is shaped by an overarching framework of laws and guidelines. These regulations, often complex and multifaceted, serve as the bulwarks against market manipulation and fraud. They are the rulebooks by which fairness is upheld, ensuring that the scales of trade balance justly for all participants. Regulatory bodies across the globe, from the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States to the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom, are the sentinels of these markets. They monitor activity, enforce rules, and set standards for brokers and platforms alike. But as technology advances at a breakneck pace, regulators are in a constant race to adapt, crafting new laws to cover the previously unimagined territories of the financial landscape. However, regulations are but one side of the coin. The other is the inherent risk that comes with the territory of trading. The market is a living entity, its moods swayed by economic reports, geopolitical events, and even the whims of public sentiment. Traders must thus be both scholars of policy and students of human nature, their strategies ever evolving to mitigate risk. Risk takes many forms. There is the market risk, the possibility that investments will suffer due to market movements. Credit risk, where the other party in a trade may fail to meet their obligations. And of course, liquidity risk, where a trader may not be able to exit a position at the desired price due to a lack of market activity. To manage these risks, traders employ a variety of strategies. Diversification spreads investments across different assets, diluting the impact of any single failure. Hedging uses instruments like options and futures to offset potential losses. And risk capital strategies involve only trading with money that one can afford to lose, ensuring that a bad trade doesn't spell financial ruin. Despite these measures, the risk can never be fully eradicated, only managed. The stories of sudden market crashes and economic downturns loom large in the collective memory, a testament to the unpredictable nature of trading. They are the specters that remind us that behind every statistic is a human story, each downturn affecting lives and livelihoods. This is the dichotomy of online trading, a landscape of vast opportunity, yet fraught with pitfalls. The wise trader navigates this terrain with caution, armed with knowledge and respect for the market's power. They know that for all the regulations in place, for all the strategies employed, the markets will always harbor elements of the unknown. As we conclude this section, we reflect on the delicate balance between the thrill of trading and the sobriety of risk. It is a balance that every trader must strike, a harmony between ambition and prudence. For in the end, the markets are not just a game of numbers, but a field of human endeavor, where foresight, discipline, and sometimes fortune dictate the outcome. The future of online trading is an uncharted expanse, brimming with potential and perils yet unknown. The financial world is no stranger to evolution, and technology is the relentless tide pushing this evolution forward. We have witnessed the birth of cryptocurrencies, digital assets that have challenged traditional notions of currency and brought the blockchain into the forefront of trading technology. These decentralized ledgers offer a glimpse into a future where transparency and security are paramount. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are set to redefine the landscape once again. These technologies promise a new dawn of predictive analytics, where AI systems can analyze vast datasets to identify trading opportunities or potential risks with a level of depth and speed beyond human capability. But what does this mean for the human trader? As algorithms become more sophisticated, will the trader become an overseer, a curator of machines that conduct the orchestra of trading on their behalf? Or will a new skill set emerge, one that blends the trader's intuition with the machine's efficiency? Peer-to-peer trading platforms are also emerging, enabling traders to bypass traditional financial institutions altogether. This could democratize trading even further, reducing costs and increasing access. Yet, with every layer of intermediation that is stripped away, a layer of complexity is often added. Traders will need to become their own risk managers, their own advocates in a market that does not sleep. Sustainability and ethical trading are becoming the clarion calls of a new generation of traders. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria are now integral to many trading strategies, as investors seek not just financial returns but also to support companies that align with their personal values. This trend is only set to grow as the market's conscience expands to encompass the planet's well-being. Yet, the future is not without its shadows. The very technologies that empower traders can also be their downfall. Cybersecurity is a growing concern, with threats evolving in tandem with advancements. Traders must be vigilant, guarding their digital fortresses against the ever-present threat of hacks and fraud. And so, as we look to the horizon, we must ask ourselves, what will it mean to be a trader in this future? The answer is a tapestry woven from the threads of innovation, ethics, technology, and human insight. The market of the future will likely be a place where the only constant is change, and adaptability is the greatest asset a trader can possess. In this future, the markets may become more complex, more interconnected, and faster than we can currently comprehend. But one thing is certain: the spirit of trading, the pursuit of opportunity, and the quest for understanding will endure. For as long as there are markets, there will be those who seek to navigate them, to find success amidst the ebb and flow of economic tides. As we conclude our journey through the world of online trading, we do so with a sense of anticipation. The future holds challenges, yes, but also untold opportunities for those willing to learn, to adapt, and to engage with the market's ever-evolving narrative. As we draw the curtains on our exploration of online trading, we are left with a tapestry of insights, a collage of the lessons learned, and a vision of what lies ahead. It has been a journey through a landscape that is at once exhilarating and daunting, a realm where ambition meets reality, and where the pulse of the global economy is felt with every click. We've seen how the genesis of online trading was more than a technological revolution. It was a cultural shift that democratized the world of finance. We've witnessed the transformation of markets from exclusive clubs to global, digital forums where anyone with determination and an internet connection can participate in the great financial dialogue. We've delved into the tools of the trade, the digital instruments that have empowered traders but also introduced complexities that demand respect and understanding. We've appreciated the human element, the emotional and psychological facets that animate the numbers and charts, reminding us that trading is not just a science, but also an art. We've grappled with the concepts of regulation and risk, recognizing that the freedom to trade comes with the responsibility to understand the rules of the game and the potential consequences of our actions. We've speculated on the future, a horizon rich with the promise of innovation but shadowed by the risks of the unknown. In this dynamic landscape, what advice can we offer to those who are navigating or about to navigate the currents of online trading? Firstly, educate yourself. Knowledge is the rudder that will steer you through turbulent markets. It is the anchor that will keep you grounded amidst the storms of volatility. Adaptability is the sail that will allow you to catch the winds of market opportunity. But perhaps the most profound piece of advice is to remember that at the heart of trading lies the human experience. The aspirations for a better life, the satisfaction of a strategy well executed, and the wisdom gleaned from every trade, win or lose. Online trading is more than a pursuit of profit. It is a journey of personal growth. So to those who take on the mantle of the trader, we bid you fair winds. May your decisions be informed, your losses be lessons, and your gains be gracious. Remember that every trader's journey is unique, and the real success is not just in the wealth accumulated, but in the wisdom gathered along the way. Thank you for joining us on this expedition into the world of online trading. May the insights you've gained serve you well, and may your ventures be as rewarding as the journey itself.